we always say that organizations succeed not in building walls but in building bridges. And this evening's activity is a manifestation of that commitment of supporting the Philippine National Police with the presence of the distinguished men and women who still believe that the Philippine National Police is indeed an organization worth supporting for.
With your help, with your support sa ating mga kapulisan, our PNP members are motivated, inspired, and they are really working para sa ikabubuti ng lahat. Ang harap po natin ay peace in order so that we can have better place to live, work, and do business.
PNP is in order for restoration and holding